You guys listen carefully. There is one iPhone setting that you must, and I mean must, turn on right now. If this is off, someone can unlock your iPhone even when you are asleep. Scary, right? So pause everything and watch this all the way because this might save your privacy today. What's up, everyone, and welcome back. I'm showing you a super important security setting hidden deep inside your iPhone. Most users ignore it, but if you care about your personal data, photos, chats, and your whole phone, you need to enable this right now. And yes, if you find this valuable, please support me with a like, a comment, and watch till the end. It means the world to me. Step 1. Open the settings. Go to Face ID and Passcode, or under Accessibility, you can go to Face ID and Passcode there as well, which is easier. Now enter your passcode and scroll down until you find Require Attention for Face ID. Now watch this. If Require Attention for Face ID is off, anyone can unlock your iPhone even if you're sleeping or not looking at the phone. They just hold it to your face and boom, unlocked. But if you turn it on, your iPhone only unlocks when your eyes are open and actually looking at the screen. So if you're asleep, distracted, or someone tries to unlock it without your awareness, it won't work. Guys, this is privacy, safety, peace of mind for free. Turn it on right now. I'll say it again right now. Before you scroll away, do me one small favor. Go to your phone right now, check this setting, and tell me in the comments, was it on or off on your phone? I reply to every comment. Also share this video with one friend to protect their phone too. Thanks for watching. If you love quick but powerful iPhone tips like this, subscribe because more are coming. See you in the next video. Peace.